dairy in that?
It's just a...
Welcome guys, I'm starting a new series called The Road to the FITX Games. So I'm so freaking excited to finally introduce what the FITX Games is, because I've been planning this for over a year and a half now. This was just an idea that started as me gym hopping, me trying to figure out how like real everyday athletes could meet each other, compete in some way to test their skills, their confidence, and their strength, but also like highlight Atlanta. And the opportunity came to me to make this finally happen with the amazing collaboration with Atlanta Sport and Social Club. So we are bringing you the FITX Games on July 14th at Old Fourth Ward Park in partnership with Actively as well. So all of us powerhouses are basically coming together to put on the best of that for Atlanta. Now, the best way to understand what the FITX Games is, it is your competitive fitness field day for your everyday athlete. So it's a person that goes to the gym all the time, that like likes training, used to be a prior athlete, or just has this competitive mindset and wants to work with a team and meet people. This is the game for you. So I look forward to seeing all of you guys applying. What I'm gonna do is actually, I have workouts set for every team to kind of use to help prepare for the games, because it is more competitive fitness than it is like field day games. So you do have to have some level of fitness. So look out for these workouts. These are actually what I'm personally gonna be doing. So if you're not in Atlanta and you're not participating, you can still be a part of this. You can be a spectator, and you can do the workouts to help you gain that strength that it takes for these everyday athletes to compete. So get excited guys, because I'm going to show you guys all the behind the scenes of what goes into making an event. I'm very fortunate that I have an awesome team that can basically come up with an idea and then just execute on it. I know most people, that typically this takes a little bit longer, but like I said, this has been a year in the works, so it's exciting, it's finally coming to life. But I'm gonna do some heavy push marketing for the next month in recruiting athletes, recruiting gyms, recruiting sponsors, and you guys are going to be a part of that. So number one, first, I'm picking up a check from our first sponsor and someone I'm just so proud to freaking work with, Gusto. So Gusto, I mean, I've been eating at Gusto for 2 years. I think I had a first date there with Joe, so those lemon cookies. Anyways, guys, so I am a huge fan of their brand and what they stand for, because it's all about living with passion. And the owner, Nate, who was a former NFL football player, was just like, I just want to find a good place to eat that post-workout that's just better for me than, you know, going for whatever fast food options there are. This is a fast food bowl service restaurant, and it's more than just a restaurant, it's truly a lifestyle. If you guys have met any of their team, like, oh, they're so awesome, so funny, so supportive, and they are genuinely doing everything to be in the community. So when I first thought about who I wanted to approach for sponsorship, it was definitely Gusto. So I had a few other people in the works, but you know when you just know when the right brand fits, this is just one of those. And so I'm working on negotiations right now, so you guys will be a part of that. Taking a picture by photo wings, and then I think just like making sure we tag everything. Okay.
So, like,
wait, do you have the 10?
No, I just had the 7 plus.
Oh, okay, that's all right. I just dropped my phone, but it's safe, guys. It's safe. And then also, this is Jordan. So Jordan's working with us on the Gusto team to get some really good stuff going between us. Okay, so Jordan, when you first came to Gusto, what was the first thing you ordered?
The first thing I ordered when I actually came to the Ponce location when they first opened.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I was one of the, like, if you look at the Instagram, I'm on there in this bright red sweater, sweatshirt in July. I don't know what I was thinking. But when I first came, I got the Chipotle mango avocado because, you know, mango avocado. And then I remember ordering the chicken with the brown rice. Just keep it simple. That's like our number one. And now that I know it's number one, it makes sense why I got it. Of course. But now I only eat the tzatziki and artichoke.
Ooh, I've never. zoom in
That's
on
our
that.
Greek-inspired.
Oh, wait, isn't this one the Greek inspired? This is my
more
favorite.
Mediterranean.
Oh, okay, that's why I always go for this one.
Because it has that tzatziki sauce, so it's more like a Greek flavor.
Ah. Well, ever since I started going, I had to go dairy free because of my face. So I still go with the tahini cucumber feta.
Without the cheese.
Without the feta. Well, okay, so what's in that edamame? It's not edamame sauce. The hummus sauce. Is there dairy in that?
It's just we can ask them. I know there's chickpeas.
So that's the best part about Gusto.
Yeah.
Like they're very knowledgeable about their ingredients. So if you tell them what is wrong, then they'll not what is wrong.
Know, then we'll ask somebody who does.
They'll always look it up. So you always have an option here. Hi.
Hey!
Okay.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Okay.
Yes.
May I do the half and half with the brown rice?
Right.
With chicken.
Chicken, would you like that spicy? Okay. All right.
And then can I do the tahini cucumber feta without the feta?
Gotcha.
No, actually, that's sauce.
Tahini sauce? No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yay.
Alright. And you that in, right?
Yeah.
Okay, come right up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sharif. Yes.
Sharif.
No problem.
Yay. Okay, cool. Okay, since I'm not fasting anymore, I can finally have protein bars throughout the day. So I found a free coupon for Perfect Bar, but we always end up at GNC. And 2 for 4. Hi! 2 for 4. Ooh. Do you guys have some more of the raspberry milk cowbars?
Yes, I think we do. We'll check for you.
Thank you so much. Oh, actually, never mind. I see it. I apologize.
Oh, no, you're fine. I can open that. Oh, you can open it.
Thank you. This is really awkward.